Top 5 reasons the new Lagoon 43 Catamaran stands out among modern multi-hulls. In today's episode, we highlight the top 5 reasons the Lagoon 43 Catamaran stands out among modern multi-hulls. Lagoon Yachts, a distinguished name in boat manufacturing since the mid-1980s, has built a reputation for blending innovative designs with seaworthiness. The new Lagoon 43 exhibits this legacy with its great combination of performance, sustainability, and luxury. Crafted with advanced materials, it boasts a reduced environmental impact, rare in its class. Watch until the end as we reveal the 5 key features that make the Lagoon 43 an absolute standout in modern maritime design. If this is your first time here, I'm Roxanne, and you're watching Harbour Masters, your weekly showcase of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. Reason 1. Exceptional adaptability. The Lagoon 43 Catamaran demonstrates exceptional adaptability with a design that fluidly connects indoor and outdoor living areas. The saloon and cockpit are thoughtfully integrated, creating a versatile environment where modular furniture and convertible layouts cater to various activities. The aft bench, with its reversible backrest, allows passengers to recline and admire panoramic ocean views or pivot inward to engage with others in the cockpit. Whether for a cozy gathering or a larger event, the Lagoon 43 easily accommodates up to 12 guests, thanks to its flexible table and seating arrangements, ensuring a personalized experience on every voyage. Beyond its functional adaptability, the Lagoon 43 represents a lifestyle of choice, where modularity extends to its interior design. Owners can customize the layout to align with their specific cruising requirements, whether prioritizing additional berths, storage, or leisure areas. This adaptability enhances not only the catamaran's practicality, but also its ability to suit a range of sailing requirements. Lagoon has indeed redefined onboard versatility with the 43, a catamaran that adapts to the needs of every owner or operator, while preserving an atmosphere of comfort and sophistication. Reason 2. Generous interiors. The Lagoon 43 elevates onboard comfort with its pioneering hull design, providing exceptional interior space rarely seen in catamarans of its class. Each cabin features larger berths and enhanced dimensions that rival those found on significantly larger yachts. The owner's cabin, perfectly situated forward, offers a generous berth and a private ensuite with a separate head and shower located aft, carefully designed to provide privacy, even on long passages. This well-designed layout emulates the expansive feel of larger vessels while maintaining the Lagoon 43's hallmark efficiency. Adding to its appeal, the Lagoon 43 introduces Lagoon's first semi-flybridge, a transformative design element that intensifies the onboard social experience. Integrated into the coach roof, this area features U-shaped seating and a forward sun lounge that provide an ideal setting for relaxation that is also easily accessible from the helm. Complementing this, the bow is equipped with an additional lounging space, allowing every guest to find a comfortable spot to unwind. These features emphasize Lagoon's dedication in raising the bar for interior design in the yacht industry. Reason 3. Innovative access. The Lagoon 43 Catamaran introduces aft entryways on each hull, improving onboard access with greater convenience and safety between the dock and the boat. These entryways are thoughtfully integrated into the catamaran's design, highlighting Lagoon's focus on security, functionality, and visual harmony. This catamaran simplifies passenger movement and vessel operation, making it an ideal choice for cruisers who prioritize safety, practicality, and style. Beyond the hull axis, Lagoon's dedication to fluid transitions extends to the interior layout and furnishing touches. The recessed door connecting the cockpit and saloon exemplifies this philosophy, disappearing entirely to create an uninterrupted living space. It facilitates a natural flow throughout the watercraft, cultivating an atmosphere where performance and style are effortlessly combined. By prioritizing innovative solutions to accessibility and movement, the Lagoon 43 sets a new benchmark in catamaran design. Reason 4. Superior performance. The Lagoon 43 Catamaran delivers outstanding sailing performance, supported by its precision-engineered design. With an upwind sail area of 1,130 square feet or 105 square meters, this vessel ensures exceptional sailing capabilities, adeptly harnessing wind power while maintaining commendable fuel efficiency for extended cruising. Its hull, spanning 42 feet 1 inch or 12.82 meters, and an overall beam of 25 feet 3 inches or 7.69 meters, create a stable, well-balanced platform for superior handling in diverse conditions. A shallow draft of just 4 feet 4 inches or 1.31 meters further secures versatility, allowing for navigation in coastal and shallow waters that larger vessels often cannot access. Powered by twin Yanmar 4J857 diesel engines, each providing 57 horsepower, the Lagoon 43 achieves a top speed of 19 knots or 22 miles per hour, while boasting a remarkable range of 1,300 nautical miles or 2,408 kilometers, ideal for ambitious passages or leisurely explorations. With a generous 151 gallons or 570 liters of fuel capacity, the vessel is well equipped for extended journeys. From the displacement of 29,363 pounds or 13,319 kilograms to the efficient integration of onboard propulsion systems, it reflects Lagoon's commitment to excellence. Next, we'll finally share our selection for the top spot. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't miss out on our weekly content. Reason 5. Industry recognition. Lastly, the Lagoon 43 Catamaran has earned the distinction of being nominated for several prestigious maritime awards. These nominations reflect the industry's recognition of Lagoon's achievements in raising the bar in the multi-hull segment. From its adaptability, customizability, to its superior specifications, the Lagoon 43 has captivated experts and enthusiasts alike, positioning itself as a standout contender among modern catamarans. These accolades confirm not only the vessel's technical excellence, but also its broader appeal as a versatile, efficient, and elegantly designed catamaran. The Lagoon 43 has earned its place not just a head-turner in marinas around the world, but as a leading catamaran model in its class, solidifying its status as a new benchmark in modern yacht design. This catamaran stands out for its outstanding value, performance, and innovative design, with a price tag starting at $630,000 US. In summary, the Lagoon 43 catamaran seamlessly integrates adaptability, generous space, state-of-the-art technology, and top-notch performance, offering exceptional comfort for extended journeys and flexibility for different cruising styles. Do you agree with its status and recognition among modern catamarans? Which features stood out to you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for future updates and share this video with your sailing community. We look forward to hearing from you and exploring more exciting boating topics in our next episode. Until then, smooth sailing!